Yeah, hi everyone. In the previous class, we completed 5.3 5.2 arithmetic progression. Now, arithmetic progression 5.3 arithmetic progression chapter 5.3 problems. So the first problem is ascend related form. Sum of n terms. First one. So here important concept is Sn. Sum of n terms is equals to. We have three formulas. N by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the important formula. And one more, Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. A plus an. When an given. And n by 2 a plus l. So what is meant by this L? L means last term. L means last term of that series. So how this a plus an came? See here, this 2a I am writing as a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is this part? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to an. So in the place of this I substituted an. So these are the three main formulas. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the main important formula. Now in 5.3 first bit, he give an arithmetic series 2, 7, 12, dash 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 to 10 terms. 10 terms. Here he is asking, find the sum of the following APs. Sum of this following AP. Here a is equals to 2, the first term, and the common difference 7 is equals to. So common difference d is equal to 7 minus 2, 5, and 12 minus 7 also 5. So here a is equals to 2, d is equals to 5, and number of terms n is equals to how many terms? Sum is asking 10 terms. So substitute sum of first 10 terms is equals to 10 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into d, common difference that is 5. Common difference that is 5. 10 minus 5. 10 by 2 is equals to 5 plus 10 by 2 5 into 2 to the 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5 45. So here 5 into 49. 5 into 49. 45 plus 4 49. So 49 into 5 245. So sum of first 10 terms in this series, sum of first 10 terms in that series is 245. This is the first problem. Next second problem based on same problem, same model. Here minus 37, minus 33 and minus 28, minus 29, sorry, 2 to 2, 12 terms, 12 terms. What is the first term? A is equals to minus 37, D is equals to minus 33 minus of minus 37. It means plus 4. How plus 4? Minus 33 plus 37 is equals to plus 4. So common difference is equals to 4. And number of terms 12. S12 is equals to, here S12 is equals to n by 2. 12 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a minus 37 plus n minus 1. 12 minus 1 into d is 4. And n by 2 is equals to 6. 2 into minus 37 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 11. 11 into 4. 11 into 4. 6 into minus 74 plus 11 for the 44. And minus 6. 6 into minus 74 plus 44 minus 30. So 6 into minus 30 minus 180. See, sum of first 12 terms in that series, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, like that. First sum of first 12 terms is equals to 180. So next problem. Next problem. 0.6 comma 1.7 comma 2.8 dash is up to 100 terms to 100 terms. Same here, a is equals to 0.6, d is equals to 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1. Number of terms n is equals to 100. Sn is equals to S100 is equals to 100 by 2 into n minus 2a, 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1 into d value 1.1. Okay, now 100 by 250, 2 into 0.6, 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1, 100 minus 1, 99 into 1.1, so 99, 1.1, 99999, 108.9, so 50 into 1.2 plus 108.2, so triple 1.1, triple 1.1, how triple 1.1, 0.89 into plus 1.2, 9 plus 2 1 plus triple 1, double 101, double 1 into 1101 into 50, so 5,505 is equals to 5,505. So 5,505 is the third problem answered. Next fourth problem. Here the fourth problem given in the fraction form. Fourth problem, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 15, fourth one, 1 by 15 comma 1 by 12 comma, next 1 by 10 dash up to how many terms? 11 terms. Important problem. Here a is equals to 1 by 15, d is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Sorry, here LCM is 60. How 12 and 15 LCM is 60. Now 5 minus 15 4, so 5 minus 4, 1 by 60 is the common difference. 1 by 60 is the common difference. So check this same one for 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. So here also LCM 60, and to get 60 here we need to multiply with 5, here 5. 1 by 60. Common difference is 1 by 60. And number of terms n is equals to 11. So Sn formula, S11 is equals to 11 by 2 into A, 2 into A value 1 by 15 plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1 into D value 1 by 60. 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 into 60, 10 into 1 by 60, so 1 into 6, here 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and continuation. So 11 by 2 into inside same LCM 60 plus not 60, 30, LCM is 30. Now 4 plus 5, 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Yeah, is there any chance for cancellation? Yes, here 3 3s are 3 10s are. So 33 by 20. 33 by 20 is the final answer. 33 by 20. Yeah. So second bit, find the sum of the given below. Same here, in second bit also find the sum of given below. One problem I will explain, model problem. Sn is equal to n by 2. There he given that 34, 32, 30 dash up to 10 he given. 10 he given. So what is how many number of terms are there not mentioned? So to find the n value, here a is equals to 34, d is equals to 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. So last term an is equals to 10 given. So use the an formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is equals to 10 and a value, first one 34 plus n minus 1, n value not given, n minus 1 into d value minus 2. Minus 10 is equals to, so minus 10 if you take this, so not 10, if you take that 34 it will become minus 34 is equals to n minus 2 into minus 2. 34 minus 10 minus 34, 24. 24 by this minus 2 is equals to n minus 1. Minus 2 minus 12 are n minus 1 is equals to 12. N is equals to 12 plus 1, 13. How many number of terms are there? 13 number of terms are there. So if you have any doubt, just write like this: 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 terms. So n is equals to 13 terms. So S13 is now, S13 is equals to 2a plus n by 2, 13 by 2, 2a, 2 into 30, 34, 68 plus n minus 1, n 13 minus 1, 12 into d value minus 2. So 13 by 2 into 68 minus 24. 13 by 2 into 68 minus 24. 44. So 2 1s are 2, 22 are 22 into 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 0 26. 286 is the answer. Sum of all these terms. Sum of all these terms, 34, 32, 30, 28. All of them sum is 286. So to find the 286 answer, first how many number of terms are there? A n value last term 10 given, a value given, d difference given. So n is equals to, we found 13. So with the help of that n is equal to 13, we found the value of Sn. Okay. So the remaining same model problems are there, like some problems given in fractions, some problems given in negative values. So find them, all of them same model.